How to set home screen news page to Google Discover on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. So here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Home Screen. After click on Home Screen, scroll down and click on Add Media Page to Home Screen. After click on Add Media Page to Home Screen, so if you want to set Home Screen News page to Google Discover, so click on Google Discover. After click on Google Discover, you will see Set Home Screen to Google Discover. So if you want to set news pages Samsung, so click on News. So you will select Samsung News and Google Discover. So after selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set home screen news page to Google Discover on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.